So I'm here at DC Motorbikes, also known as Ride With Me Saigon, where they offer rentals for motorbikes and also driving lessons. So if you happen to be apprehensive about starting to drive in Ho Chi Minh City, this is basically driver's ed in Vietnam. And today we've got Miranda and Angie doing the lessons because they really want them and need them. Good morning!
Oh, good morning.
How are you feeling?
Totally nervous. I feel like I'm 15 learning to drive a car again.
This is Brooks.
Yeah.
And he'll be leading the lessons today.
Yeah.
Could you just explain briefly what your company is all about?
So at the moment we are doing Saigon Riding School, which is the school teaching for the people who still fighting the traffic in Saigon, intimidating or scary. So we have been teaching for almost 2 years already. So we got an experience, and with our passion, I think we are the best school you can come over.
Great.
Totally.
And initial thoughts?
I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm stoked. I'm pumped. I'm nervous but ready. So I've lived here for over a year now, which is maybe a little embarrassing to admit that I don't drive yet, but I talk to people all the time who tell me on calls that they're afraid to drive or they're not sure if they can come because of that. You can definitely get around without driving yourself, but after a time, you want the freedom of being able to actually take the bike and get places. So I have tons of friends who have done lessons at Ride With Me and said great things. So I'm ready. We'll see. I won't panic. I'll be ready. You can do it. You can do it.
And Angie, you've already driven in Bali, right?
I have.
So how do you feel about getting back?
I'm ready to ride. It's the traffic that
Yeah.
I'm not quite 100% sure of.
Yeah.
But I'm ready to tackle it.
Okay.
As you know, the most difficulty of the beginner is when you ride the motorbike, you cannot control the accelerator. Because you use a lot of accelerator, after that and you take the brake and fall down.
Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Jung, CHUONG.
Chung.
Yeah, I am older brother.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice to meet you. Nice
Yeah,
to meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Awesome. Okay. Are we doubling up here?
How far is the place we're going?
Closer here.
Can I walk?
Yeah.
I liked your running there.
This is the fully automatic bike, and this is the bike. This is, you can see, this is the key. This is still off, and you turn right, turn on, and the bike have two brakes, and this is the rear brake,
Okay.
and this is front of brake. You can use both, and this is the accelerator, and you just remember this is the accelerator. This is so sensitive. This is the reason why you just use a little bit. After that, and this is when you use this is more gas, and the bike will go. Yeah. Okay, now we will try to go go straight. Yeah, you can see this is the car, and we will ride from here. This is we will stop in behind of the car.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
I've driven a bike like this before. I shouldn't be nervous.
You have?
Yeah.
Wow, great. Oh, there she goes. This is a really good street to practice on. It's just a quiet little street next to the river here. It's a little bit shady, just slow, driving straight, and then they'll get slowly into the traffic.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah. Just turn the key on.
What did you struggle with before, but now just did?
So turning, I think the driving itself is pretty intuitive, but turning it is really hard to think about everything and try not to accelerate much. And also then I'm not driving in traffic yet, so we'll see. But it's not that bad.
Yeah.
She's practicing the turn.
Yeah, she practicing turning right already. She did a very good job. Like she got a very good controlling. Also, she is very like relaxing. I mean, like the more nervous, the more difficult it's going to be.
Right.
With her skill at the moment, I think like we can take her on the street also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think she wants to.
Yeah.
They both want to. They just know
yeah.
that it's scary. The traffic on the street is a little scary, but it moves so slow that as long as you have your foot on the brake or your hand on the brake and you anticipate the movement of motorbikes, you're able to stay safe.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm not sure if I got anything recorded.
Oh, that's fine.
It's going well. I'm pretty comfortable with that. Just stopping and starting I'm pretty comfortable with. I'm just ready to figure out if I can be comfortable in the traffic or not.
Okay.
So,
We'll get there.
yeah.
Along with Ride With Me Saigon is DC Motorbikes in the same location, where they rent out automatic and semi-automatic bikes. They have over 200 bikes to choose from, so after you finish your lessons, you can just rent a bike directly from DC Motorbikes at the same location.
So in Bali, they drive on the other side of the road.
Oh yeah.
So I was on the left side of the road trying to turn back and go the way I do a U-turn,
U-turn.
basically. Yeah, a U-turn back the way I came. And I gave it too much gas going into traffic, and I slid out like the bike underneath. Yeah.
Most of the time, the people here they have a electric bicycle. Yeah. And they usually in Taoding, because in Taoding not so many traffic, so electric bicycle will be very convenient for you to move around Taoding.
Yeah.
But convenient, electric bicycles still cannot compare to the motorbike. This is the reason, like some Singaporeans have a electric bicycle at home, but they still would like to have a lesson for learning a motorbike also.
Yeah.
So usually we will take you guys on the street. Yeah.
Okay.
And do you would like to go on street today?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah.
Now we will take you guys back to our shop after that, and we will go around here first. After that, I will take you to the busy road.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Back up.
Because if you just practice around this area, you just learn nothing.
Right.
Okay. And outside.
Nothing.
You learned
30
nothing,
minutes of
Miranda. It's not even noon yet. You learned nothing.
We will try to turn left on the busy road. Actually, this is more difficult.
Yes.
And you can say this is have someone that will ride the motorbike. This is from this way to this way. And this is you can see this is have someone that will ride motorbike in the right side. And now you open the signal light in the left side. After that, and we will move to the middle of the road. And you check the mirror in the right side. And this is nobody you can check.
Ready.
Great.
Ready for this left turn.
You were concerned about your helmet looking cute. The bike and the helmet looks really cool. This is a proper busy road. Got buses pushing you off to the side. Grab drivers. I hope they're not letting the honking discourage them. Cars honk here the second the light turns green. They don't even give you a second to move. But when you're on the road, the honking is more just a way to make your presence known, so motorbikes know where you are if you're coming up next to somebody. Man, vlogging on the back of a bike is really cool. These really cool shots.
They have a lesson after that, and this is I rent the motorbike. Hello, Nikon.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Wow, that was awesome.
Yeah?
Dude, that
High
was
five.
so good. That was so good.
Nice.
Yes.
It will be so crazy because they drive so scary. But driving slow, I can stop. But even when things kind of surprise me, I have time to stop.
Yeah, dude, you did
I thought it was-
awesome. You really did.
So did you. How do you feel?
I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. I don't know how to get anywhere,
I
but
actually,
I
like,
know how to
really
drive there.
enjoyed
Yeah.
Like I was panicking an hour ago, and I feel so good now.
Nice.
Crazy.
Yeah, way better than I thought it was
My
gonna be.
hands are tingling though.
I know. I'm like
Stretching to hold the thing.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sweating it up, but it was good.
Good route.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So overall, it was a great lesson. We definitely recommend Ride With Me Saigon, which is also DC Motorbikes for rentals. And it's a great confidence booster for gradually getting into the traffic on the streets here in Saigon. So like you said, it really boosted your confidence and you recommend it.
Yeah, absolutely. I feel 100% different than when I got here and was standing here earlier. Much more confident. We kept driving in busier and busier roads. So I'm going to rent a motorbike in a couple days. I think I'm finally ready.
And they deliver it to your place.
Yeah, they'll deliver it to my place. So, and then I can explore around my area, which is a decently calm place to drive. So it's nice to get used to it and then start driving to work in District 1.
And how about your area where you're moving to? Is it a busy area?
It's right in the heart of G3, so it's pretty busy, but it's similar to these streets, I feel like. So it's gonna be manageable. I'm super stoked about getting my own bike now.
All right, that's it for today. See you on the next video.